Which statement about ethane is correct? Ethane is a alkane, 2 carbon containing alkane. Each ethane molecule contains exactly 7 bonds, all of which are single covalent bond. So if you draw the displayed formula of ethane, you will get the answer. 2 carbon containing this is the ethane, here hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So ethane molecule contains exactly 7 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bonds, and all of which are single, all are single bond, and these are covalent bond because carbon is non-metal, hydrogen is non-metal. So A is the right answer. Why B is wrong? Ethane is a member of the homologous series of alkanes, a family to unsaturated. No, ethane has carbon-carbon single bond, so this is saturated molecule, saturated hydrocarbon. So B is wrong. C wrong. Why? The equation for the complete combustion of ethane is carbon dioxide and water, but here 2 carbon, 2 carbon, oxygen 2 to the 4, 3, 7, but here 6 oxygen, so this is wrong. D. When a molecule of ethane reacts with chlorine, one hydrogen atom is replaced by a chlorine molecule, not chlorine molecule. One hydrogen is replaced by a chlorine atom. Next, isoprene is an alkene which is commonly found in plants. Which properties does isoprene have? Is an alkene. So 1, it burns in air. It is right, it is correct because alkene burn in air to produce carbon dioxide and water, and it can form polymers because alkenes to form addition polymer. This is also right, correct. And it decolorizes aqueous bromine. Yes, you know, alkene decolorizes bromine water. So A is the right answer. Mean 1, 2, 3, all 3 answers are correct. Next, the structure of an ester is shown. This alcohol, propyl ethanoate. This alcohol name is propyl ethanoate. Propyl ethanoate. So which two compounds react to form this ester? Propyl. Alcohol part is propyl, so propanol is needed, propan-1-ol, and acid part is ethanoate. 2 carbon containing acid is ethanoic acid, so ethanoic acid. I mean ethanoic acid reacts with propan-1-ol in presence of sulfuric acid catalyst to form propyl ethanoate. So C is the right answer. Why A is wrong? Butan-1-ol, butanoate, this is propanoate, so this is wrong. Ethanol, ethyl, but alcohol part is propyl, this is wrong. and D is why wrong? Propanol, this part is correct profile, but methanoic acid, methanoate, but this is ethanoate. So this propanol and ethanoic acid will be the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Next, 38. (25 centimeter cube volume of 1 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide concentration and volume is given, is titrated with dilute sulfuric acid using a suitable indicator. 25 centimeter cube of the sulfuric acid is required to reach the end point, neutralization point. End point means neutralization point. So what is the concentration of sulfuric acid and which indicator is used? So sodium hydroxide concentration volume is given, sulfuric acid volume is given. You are asking to find the concentration of sulfuric acid and which indicators is needed, used. You see the calculation. If you calculate, you will get the answer A. Concentration of sulfuric acid 0.5 and indicator is methyl orange. So you know sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid, sodium sulfate plus water. Sodium hydroxide 2 mole, sulfuric acid 1 mole. So first N means number of mole of sodium hydroxide, concentration times volume. Volume is 25 divided by 1000. Centimeter cube is converted to dm cube by dividing 1000. So moles of sodium hydroxide you get 0.025. And from the equation you see 2:1. I mean sulfuric acid mole will be half of sodium hydroxide. So moles of sulfuric acid will be moles of sodium hydroxide divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because sulfuric acid is the half of sodium hydroxide. So you will get 0.0125 mole. Now you know number of mole equal concentration times volume. So concentration of sulfuric acid will be number of mole times volume. Concentration of sulfuric acid number of mole divided by volume. Volume is 25 centimeter cube. So you need to convert it dm cube by dividing 1000. So 0.5 mole per dm cube. You get the concentration of sulfuric acid. And indicator, you use any acid base in indicator, methyl orange or phenolphthalein. But here B also right answer. This part universal indicator, no, universal indicator shows different color in different pH. And this wrong, this wrong. So A is the right answer. Next, (39). The results of a paper chromatography experiment are shown. X is an aqueous solution of group 1 element. You know group 1 element salt aqueous solution are colorless. Say sodium chloride, these are colorless. Y is an aqueous solution of a salt of transition element, and you know transition element salt solution are colorful, they have color. Now you see baseline, X move this distance, Y turns baseline to more distance. So RF value of Y will be greater than X. This is the solvent prompt. So you are asking which row is correct? Larger RF value will be for Y. Why? Because baseline to Y distance divided by baseline to solvent prone distance.